G'day Tentworld viewers, I'm Dion from the Furniture Gully store, and today is my birthday. 45 years old, but you know what I don't have? I don't have a birthday cake. So I've got the perfect solution over here at the back country end. Down here I've found a carrot cake and custard. Now, on the back here, it just says that I need to add a cup of boiling water and stir and stand for at least 10 minutes. I don't know if it's going to turn into a cake or not, but we'll find out. Okay, so we are ready to make the cake, my birthday cake. Now, we've got a bowl, a cup of just boiled water, a spoon to stir it, and the carrot cake and custard mix. So let's have a look. Okay, put that into the bowl. Add the water and give it a stir. Okay, so it doesn't much look like cake yet. We'll see what happens in about 10 minutes. Okie dokie, so it's birthday cake time. And I'm going to force my team to come and sing happy birthday to me as part of their normal work requirements. Team, off we go. If you're getting shot, that'd be great. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, come on, Tessie, ruining the
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dion. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip
Hooray!
hip
Hooray!
hip
Hooray!
Sorry.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, so this is what the cake looks like in its cakey form. Now, I'm going to taste. You know what? That's pretty darn good. So happy birthday to me. That was the backcountry carrot cake with custard. I thought it was delicious, surprisingly delicious to be honest with you, and so did the team. So, if you're ever in need when you're out camping or hiking for a birthday cake, come to Tentworld and pick one up.